Okay, here is another Modern Fan Company Cirrus short in room 130. Last room I recorded, it was 131, yeah. So, it's on a Modern Fan Code 111 control relabeled Rhine UC9020 with capacitor values of 4711. So we'll go ahead and fire it up. Starting off with low. The other room I did in room 131 was a full-on no commentary. I don't think anyone would be interested in my no commentary stuff, but that's the only no commentary video I made for a demonstration on all speeds. So yeah, we'll go up to medium low, which is 7 UF. I kind of hear a little bit of motor hum. I don't think that's too noticeable. It's just me, or it's just me hearing vibration noises. Okay, so here is speed 2. This is medium. Okay, stacking up to a bit of performance here. Okay, now we'll go up to high speed. And the performance is a typical K55 performer. And it's putting out tons of air on high speed. This fan doesn't get really used a lot, so that explains why the capacitor is still good. Or is it? Because the blades are like close to the wall, so it does kind of create a bit of air restriction of airflow. So now I'll go ahead and shut it off and we'll do spin down. Spin down is supposed to be very short, I know that for sure. Bearings are good in this fan. They're good. I mean, at least that the vibration noise is not as loud as from what I've heard of rumors about the K55XL motor. I've heard some of them may end up having vibration noises, but this one is a K55XL knockoff, so I don't hear a lot of noise vibrations, but I digress. But fairly a short spin down. Nothing too long, nothing too short. But yeah, there you have it. The Modern Fan Company Cirrus short in room 130. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.